Hello guys, welcome to our next vlog. Today I am with the very important person, VIP person of my life. So here I will introduce you with my cousin. He is my cousin brother.
Hello guys.
He can speak this only. He only know 3 words. Hi guys. Oh, he's a very heavy driver and we are today at Patiala for some agriculture related works.
पानी नहीं कर रहा मैं पंजाबी में बोलता करूँगा
We started approximate 2 hours ago from our village to Patiala and now we are going back to our village, and this drive was so adventurous, so much adventurous. If I will on my back camera, then you will see that how much rash driving he is doing. So if anybody needs a heavy driver to go for any hill station or any dangerous and adventurous places, so you can call him. I took guarantee for this that he will take you there once, but no chance no guarantee that he will return you back from that area, because you people got heart attack if you have to sit with him at left seat. Then you will not survive, because his driving is very rash driving. Even USA President Mr. Trump is also demanding for this kind of driver, but our government is not approving his visa for America, because we don't want to lose any such kind of driver, heavy driver. So here we need it a lot, and now we will share some personal views. I will ask for what he is with me. He had done what he had done here. So tell people why you come to Patiala.
I come for पंजाबी चलाता
I come for Punjabi ch dasna means I come for, can I tell in Punjabi? No, you have to speak in English.
Our land, river, water is very low level.
Again.
I will telling the inspectors to improve their level of water.
So guys, generally he is saying that the river water for our agriculture, means for irrigation system, we are not getting the proper water which is served by government to our fields. But we are here to meet some government employees and government representatives regarding this, who own the water. We can say that who own the water, because they are generally they are the people who can decide how much water level should be in the village rivers or village canals. So we are here to request them to increase the water level or give us some more water to irrigate our lands. So next question. Hanji Gagandeep Singh, where we are going now?
We are going village for dekh-rekh of cattle.
What is dekh-rekh? Take care of.
Take care of cattle.
Cattle,
Giving
not
feeds to
cattle, not cattle, cattle.
Buffaloes.
Yes, buffaloes. So
They will hungry.
they will hungry.
Feed for serving milk. Taking.
So people, so friends, here you are enjoying the vlog, because he's saying that we are going to the village, our cattle are hungry, they are demanding for feed. If we don't feed them at time, then we will not get a proper amount of milk, and it will lose our pockets, loss of money. And what do you want to eat, Gagandeep Singh?
I want anything. I was also hungry, like as my buffaloes.
He is also hungry. He is also hungry as like our buffaloes. Our buffaloes are eating grass. Can you eat grass?
No, anything which are making from grass.
Anything which are making from. So kindly, you people, please understand what he want to make you understand. So please,
I want to eat second step of vegetables.
second step of it.
Some spices.
Second step, some spices or
Like burger.
like burger. Indirect, he is saying that I want to eat burger. So he expand the burger too much long. Grass, vegetable, second, third, don't know what is
I
this.
eat veg burger.
He eat veg burger because according to our religion, they cannot eat non-veg. That's why you want veg.
Yes.
Or what you explored during our journey from Samana to Patiala and Patiala to Samana? What had you explored? Kindly tell.
This journey is very beautiful. In this journey, we know about the water level of our earth is very down. I will take care of water, save life.
He want to say that I will not drink water anymore. He is
No,
li- he
we drink, not bathing.
he is leaving to drink water. He's swear that he will never bath again.
Yes.
So he don't want to waste the water of Punjab. He don't want to waste water. That's why
Not only me, our cattle are not bathing again.
he is saying that our cattle will not bath. Means we don't let them bath in the water because water level is going too down. He is so conscious person about water level, but he cannot make our cattle bath. But he pour a lot of large amount of water for his cars. But he never let our cattle bath. He can pour water for his cars, not for cattle. Okay?
I don't know your.
ਉਹ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਵੀ ਤੂੰ ਪਾਣੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਡੋਲ ਦੇਗਾ ਆਪਦੀ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਧੋਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਧੋ ਦੇਗਾ ਪਰ ਤੂੰ ਡੰਗਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਵਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ
No, I love cattle also.
ਓਕੇ
Sometime I will wash my cattle.
I will wash my cattle.
कर ले.
So guys, now we are going from Patiala to Samana. We are on the road, and about what we are talking?
Cattle washing.
Cattle washing. Bathing, sorry. We are
What is
talking.
washing?
I already said you that I don't have proper knowledge of English, but I can speak broken English.
I will teach how to learn English.
He will teach you how to learn English, how to speak English, because
My vocabulary is very strong. He is my
you people
new
are seeing
friend.
you people are seeing his vocabulary very very strong. Even our phone is getting hang because his vocabulary is very very strong. He is going to USA in few days as Mr. Trump has demanded this kind of driver, but India will have to lose this kind of driver because our roads, Indian roads need such kind of drivers to drive, because he is the only driver in India who can drive a car through the way where only a bicycle can stand. He can drive through that way. So we are proud of our driver brother. And what do you want to eat? You had told about burger. You told you eat burger, veg burger. Anything else you want to eat?
No, it is enough for my tummy.
Oh my God, tummy. See his tummy.
I am little bit hungry.
I am little bit hungry.
थोड़ा सा भूखा हूँ.
ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਕਹਿ ਲੈ ਯਾਰ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਭੁੱਖਾ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਓਕੇ where we have to stand then?
I stand where I think जिथे जी करूँगा.
We have to stay where we want to stay.
Yes.
There is not any compulsion that I have to stay here or stay there.
Yes.
We will do whatever we can, because life is ours and decision will be ours. Now see his driving. This kind of driver is, you people can check the speed,
Very slow.
very slow, on just on speed of 80, and he is doing very 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 smooth driving. People can enjoy his driving. So I wish God that please take us with safety. Take us to our village. Our cattle are waiting for us.
Our older are not dubbing. This are also running bike fast.
Our elders, our elder, old people. They don't. Our old people even drive too much fast. This is India. Here, ladies sit like gents.
We all are equals.
We all are equals. So you can check. He's a very heavy driver. He already placed a Canadian flag on his dashboard because he's saying that when Donald Trump will take him to USA, then he will finally jump into Canada because his parents live at Canada. That's why he want to go Canada. But Donald Trump is too much stubborn person.
Please move the camera. I will feel shy.
Oh my God, he's feeling shy.
We both are in one camera. I will manage.
Okay,
Only
okay.
me, I will shy.
So he don't want that somebody will make his video in alone. What a
Yes.
great kind of shyness. Wow.
Yes.
Okay guys, meet you in our next vlog soon, and we will now stay for eating burgers and having some soft drinks. So this is the way, the road. You can see where we are going.
Very hot road, guys.
Very hot road. So too much rash driving. I request our Indian government. I request our Indian government to why they are not
See
cancelling.
other older people walking.
I
through
request
the
Indian
ARP.
government that why they are too much delaying to cancel your license. What are they thinking? They are thinking that anything. Oh my God, bro! Please drive slowly. Take me to my home. My cattle are waiting.
Only cattle are everything, not family matter.
Oh my God! No, for this
You
time
say my
only.
mother is beating me.
Oh my God! Brother is emotional, man. Brother is emotional. Okay, mother is waiting. Father is also waiting. I will show this vlog to your father that, and I request him that please, Mama ji, cancel his license. Otherwise, government will cancel.
Your
And-
son.
Your
Sun is shining
not
darkly.
your son.
तो
वाह,
बहुत है.
the sun is straight. You can say that the sun is
Yes,
straight.
on head.
On head.
सिरते हैं.
सीधे है.
Bye bye guys.
Bye bye guys. Bye bye friends. Bye bye relatives. Bye bye villages. Bye bye enemies. We don't have any enemy. We are just saying if anybody.
Not buy for cattles. I will coming my cattles.
Hey cattles, we are coming.
Not mind will हल्का. दिल ना हल्का करो.
Hey cattle, we are coming. So don't feel any kind of unconsciousness, illness, sleepiness, or any endangered feeling. So we are coming to you. We will feed you, and after that we will take milk from you. But if you don't give us milk, then we will give you
I will beat
strong
you.
punishment. We will beat you with the long stick. Heavy drive. I want to say my Mama ji that please, the person who is driving the car, actually he is not have a capability to drive a bicycle. You people are trusting that you had given him a car for drive on road. What kind of people you are, Mama ji?
They will trust blindly on me.
They are trusting blindly on him, but I am not trusting. As I am sitting on his left seat, I am not trusting. I had listened Nishattar Gil four or five
Your
times.
heart is very small.
Oh my God.
Driving is good. Your
Driving
heart
is good.
small.
My heart is small. So people, if you want to accompany him and you want to sit on his left seat, you will have to keep a big heart, brave heart. Only brave
Three
people
more
can.
seats are available.
Okay, I have to sit.
Fastly. Limited stocks are here.
Okay. Three seats are available. If anybody wants to do such adventure, to enjoy such adventurous drive, so please contact us. And you people also can contact him on Instagram at Gagan
Ginger
underscore
Ginger 97.
Ginger 97 GAGN_JHINJEER
Simply you
97.
comment, I will reach your
Oh my
contact. And I will sit here.
You will sit here. You will people. You just
मैं
have
खुद बैठाऊंगा जाके.
you just have to comment on this video about Gagan. He will definitely contact you on your Instagram account.
Yes.
Even he can contact you on your WhatsApp. Even if possible, he will come to your home to
Or
take you
put
for
you for dying.
to keep you to take you for long drive. So if anybody want
Long
to
drive your last ride.
long drive, it may be last drive, but I want to say, if you people want to, you are planning to go for hill station, you are planning to go Himachal or Srinagar, Jammu, etc., where, so you don't have to go there. He can kill you here. You don't have to go
Nearby
there.
home.
Yeah, you don't people have to spend money and wastage of time. You just call him and sit beside him. He will kill you here, no doubt. He has a capability. He's a heavy driver, man. Anything else you want to say?
No, enough.
Enough. So now drive smoothly, please. Okay guys, meet you soon in the next vlog. So hope so you people have enjoyed. So joking aside, we want to say that people and friends, please drive slowly and drive with care. We are just having fun. He's driving very good. No issue that he has not any rash driving. I just want to make our blog some entertainment or enjoying vlog. That's why I was using this kind of vocabs. So people, drive slowly, drive safely. Life is precious.
Your mother is waiting.
Mother, father, and your family, and your cattle. Everyone is waiting for you. So it is better to go late than rather than you will never go.
Yes.
Hope so you can understand. ਪਰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ 'ਚ ਫੇਰ ਵੀ ਦੱਸ ਦੇਣਾ ਵੀ ਕਦੇ ਨਾ ਜਾਣਾ, ਕਦੇ ਨਾ ਪਹੁੰਚਣ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਲੇਟ ਪਹੁੰਚਣਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. Okay guys, meet you soon in the next vlog. Thank you
Bye bye,
again.
guys.
Bye guys. He was sorry, not he was, he is my cousin. And his name is Gagandeep Ginger, and very good driving, very super fast model. Okay, take care, love you all, bye.